What's poppin', little brothers, little sisters, and my G's? I am back with another video, or should I say literally maybe like my first real edited video. I'm gonna show you guys how I transform my hair from Bantu knots into like my own little silk press. Let's get right into it. Here I'm just blow drying and pretty much making sure and checking that the Bantu knots and, well, the plait really is dry. Make sure it's all dry so that way when I detangle it and I actually, I guess, unplait it, it'll be dry and I don't have to like keep going through it with the blow dryer. I'm really trying to do the least amount of heat as possible, because what I realized was in order to get my ends to lay as flat as I needed them to, I had to go over them with a flat iron often, or a lot. Because what I realized was during the process of flat ironing my hair that I was going over my ends with the flat iron a lot, and I don't want to keep, or I don't want to endanger my hair of heat damage. Right now I'm using the paulmitchell skinny serum. Yeah, you see me use a lot of different types of pumps. I know I said don't use a lot to weigh your hair down, but in this case I haven't flat ironed my hair in a while and I needed whatever to help it lay down, as it really didn't do what it needed to do. So whatever. So right now what I'm doing is, even after blow drying, I just want to retwist it. I kind of want to start to train my hair to like lay down, like lay together. So right now I'm just taking some of the product and I'm taking a drink break. And I'm back. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, a little dabby dab, and now I'm back with the freaking wax paper, plastic wrap. Me trying to figure out how to unwrap it. Now I actually got it on, wrapping it around, round. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. I am not a professional, so do not think that I'm a professional. Do not judge my look of which my wrapping paper or my plastic wrap looks. It just looks like it's about right, so we just gonna roll with it. Okay. So yeah, I'm just smoothing it all around. I'm about to take this good old this good old blow dryer, and I was being funny, goofy, don't mind me. Anyway, back to the video. I'm gonna just blow dry my hair. I'm gonna blow dry it, blow. Yeah, I took a little piece of, well, not a piece, it's actually like a baby bang like wrapper, make them edges lay. I just needed a little bit extra security while I was blow drying, because the wrapping thing, the stuff was coming from around my head. So yeah, blow. And that's it until I unwrap it. And hopefully I get to show y'all me unwrapping it. Hopefully it lasts. If it doesn't last, I'm gonna be upset if it doesn't last. I'm gonna be upset if it doesn't last. Really upset, because I want my hair to last, because I really took all this time to do it. So So right now I'm taking the pin curls out. We're about to see what's sleeping on these pin curls that I've done. The girl about to come out looking like Curly Sue or whatever. But yeah, whatever. Almost done with taking all the pin curls out. It's still a little bushy at the ends, and that's what I've been trying to work on. I'm gonna find some products that actually help with that. I don't know, but let's see what we got here. Boom. I'm just probably talking to y'all, telling y'all. Never mind. We back with it. Sorry that the daggone product was upside down. Look, I told you it was my first video, so just bear with me. It's Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. I'm gonna keep saying it. Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. All right. Anyway, back shaking my hair out. Little curly Sue. Do wop bop. I really wish my hair stayed looking like that, but literally once I combed it out, like the ends got bushy again, so I really have no idea what to do. Like send help. Send like FEMA somebody. Send somebody that's gonna help me contain these ends. I don't need no help with the edges. I need help with the ends. I'm just making sure that all the product is pretty much inside or just like all over my hair. Just, teasing the curls just a little bit just to see what we got going. I'm gonna flip it back and forth. I ain't had no hair like this in a minute. So I'm gonna cut up a little bit. Let me cut up. But I'm right back with it. Right after I finish being silly. But I'm back with it. So after I did my trim, I just went ahead and re-pin curled my hair back. I really had no idea that my hair wasn't gonna last unless I kept them pin curled, and I can't go to work like that. So yeah. For some odd reason, this video recorded on my iPhone in slow motion, like the slow-mo mode, and I had no idea. Like, I was wondering why the video said 27 minutes long, and I was like, I really only did this for like 7 minutes. But anyway, I just wanted to at least give you guys like an image or some sort of idea of how it came out after all the pin curls were taken down. I had to record over the video and kind of like just get a small glimpse of what like the actual finished product looked like. For the most part, I mean, it's not professional, but it'll do.